Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that you are well. We can talk about social media. Social media is online platform where we can share our videos, our photos, our text, and everything. We can connect with our friends, family, and other people all over the world. It is a good way to communicate with each other. Social media can help you different way. We are using lots of social medias like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Facebook will help you to get news and information every times. We have to use social media for learning. Otherwise, this media will not help me to uh, develop my career. YouTube also help you to know the information. Suppose you know some of the information. That information you will search in YouTube. You can easily lots of videos and information from YouTube. You can also create YouTube channel to share your feelings, to share your videos and your skill. Moreover, we use TikTok and Instagram. All are same, but I request all of you, you will use your social media carefully. Try to learn something. At present, I see lots of content creator in social media. If you have any business, you can share your business policy, your goal, and promote yourself. That will help you to reach lots of people. Otherwise, if you use social media for monetization earning policy, it will not be good. It has some problem because your income should be halal. In the eye of Islam, it will not support. So I request all of you, you will make videos or texts for your popularity or your business purpose. Thanks all.